Maintaining a healthy garden requires attention to several key factors. Here are some helpful tips. Soil health. 1. Test your soil. Check pH levels and nutrient content to determine the best fertilizers and amendments. 2. Add organic matter. Incorporate compost, manure, or peat moss to improve soil structure and fertility. 3. Mulch. Retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature with a layer of organic mulch. Watering. 1. Water deeply, but infrequently. Encourage deep root growth by watering thoroughly, then allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. 2. Avoid overwatering. Prevent waterlogged soil, which can lead to root rot and other problems. 3. U-strip. Irrigation or soaker hoses. Deliver water directly to the roots, reducing evaporation and runoff. Sunlight and temperature. 1. Choose the right location. Ensure your plants receive the recommended amount of sunlight and are protected from extreme temperatures. 2. Provide shade. Use shade cloth or other forms of shade to protect plants from intense sunlight during the hottest part of the day. Pest and disease management. 1. Monitor for pests and diseases. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of pests or diseases, and take action promptly if you notice any issues. 2. Use natural control methods. Encourage beneficial insects, like ladybugs and lacewings, and use neem oil, diatomaceous earth, or other organic pest control methods. 3. Practice good hygiene. Remove weeds, debris, and infected plants to prevent the spread of disease. Pruning and training. 1. Prune regularly. Prune plants to maintain shape, promote healthy growth, and encourage fruiting. 2. Train vines and climbers. Provide support for plants that need it, using trellises, stakes, or other forms of support. Crop rotation and companion planting. 1. Rotate crops. Change the location of your crops each season to avoid depleting the soil of specific nutrients and to reduce pest and disease build-up. 2. Use companion planting. Plant different vegetables, herbs, and flowers together to improve growth, flavor, and pest resistance. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to maintaining a healthy and thriving garden. Thanks for watching Miss Agriculture Mona Shalzad.